Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet these beautiful and super easy leaf earrings. This is a quick project that's perfect for beginners and adds a lovely handmade touch to your accessories. Let's get started. Here is the twist. I have actually used cotton yarn 3-ply. The thickness of this material is around 1 millimeters, along with the 2mm crochet hook to make the earrings. But today in the tutorial I'll be using a round rope material along with the 5mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. We will start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot ready, and then we will insert the hook into the slip knot and get started with the foundation chain. Then I'm going to chain 12, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then I'm going to skip the first chain from the hook and go into the second chain and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. This is a slip stitch. And then we will go into the very next stitch here and work a single crochet. So go into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. And then again go into the next stitch and work a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. And then I'm going to go into the next chain and work 2 double crochets into the same chain. To work the double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again we need to go into the same stitch and work another double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we will go into the next chain here and work 1 treble crochet. To make the treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, 1 and 2, and insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again go into the next stitch and work 2 treble crochets into the same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again work another treble into the very same stitch. Again work another treble into the next stitch here as well. Go into the next chain and work a treble crochet. And then we will go into the next chain and work a double crochet, and go into the next chain and work a half double crochet, and then go into the next chain and work a single crochet, and we are left with one last chain here. There we need to work a slip stitch into the last chain. With that, we have completed the first half of the leaf. This is what it looks like. And then we will continue to make the other half into the other side of the work. Chain 1, and I'm going to work the same pattern into the other side as well. Just make sure to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. And we will insert the hook into the very first stitch here and work a slip stitch. And then I'm going to go into the next stitch here and work a single crochet. And go into the next stitch here and work a half double crochet. And again a double crochet into the next stitch. After that, work a treble crochet into the next stitch. And then work 2 treble crochets into the stitch after that. One, and 2, and then go into the next stitch and work a treble crochet, and then go into the next stitch here and work 2 double crochets. One and 2. Then we will go into the next stitch and work a half double crochet, and then go into the next stitch and work a single crochet, and then work a slip stitch into the very last stitch here. And then chain 1, and I'm going to make the stem at the middle of the leaf now. So insert the hook into the space in between the 2 slip stitches here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now this is what I'm gonna continue to do up to here, and again go into the next space in between the 2 half double crochets, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Just continue the pattern to the other side of the leaf. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Like that we will continue. At the end, I'm going to chain 1. Now this is the exact same thing I have done by using the cotton material, and you can see the size is very small. And then I'm going to use the yarn needle to attach the bead to the leaf. And then just slide the bead like this. After that, I'm going to attach the smaller jump ring to this. And then we can just hide the tail. After that, take the pliers, open the bigger jump ring and slide this smaller jump ring into this. And also we can slide the hook ear wire into the same jump ring. Then secure the jump ring using the pliers like this. With that, we have completed one of the earrings. This is what it looks like. And we will just do the same thing to complete the other one as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these cute leaf earrings. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and creative crochet tutorials. See you in the next one.